Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and I have a disgusting amount of products in front of me. You know, we've been in isolation, quarantine, whatever you want to call it, for about 2 months now, and you know, within that time I may have made a couple of purchases. By couple, I mean a lot, and I still have more coming in, but I've been waiting so long to film this video for you guys because everybody's shipping is just in shambles. So I just decided, I think I have enough products here today to share with you guys to just go ahead and film, and then whatever else comes, y'all will just see them in new videos and whatnot. So if you want to see what I have been spending my money on, then stay tuned. But before all of that happens, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. The button's down there, just click it. You know you want to, you've seen a million videos of me. Just go ahead and support this channel during this time, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter, and give this video a huge thumbs up and leave a comment down below about what you've been doing during quarantine, or if you've been shopping like me, or if you've actually been productive, you know, all that good stuff. So yeah, let's jump right into these products. Okay, so I'm actually gonna start with hair care because I never really talk about hair care, and right now I don't even have any hair, but I'm still taking care of like what's here, you know? You get the drift. So I bought a few things from the Taraji hairline. I bought the Real Love protein powered gel mask. I've only used this a few times, but I do like it. Some of these I have used already because I've had them for so long, so it's not like it's a review, it's just I've already had them, so whatever. I also got the shampoo. This one is the Honey Fresh Clarifying Shampoo with Moisture. I definitely use this one way more often, and I do like it. I also got, oh, something else, but I don't have it right now. I also got this Aussie 3 minute Miracle Curls Deep Conditioner. I love using this when I'm in the shower on like my short hair right now, because I just put it on when I first get in there and then just leave it while I take a shower and then rinse it off after, and I just think it's like a nice little quick conditioning product. I also got this Mielle leave-in conditioner for my hair after I get out of the shower. Just give it a nice little condition, you know, zhuzh. I also did just buy a few of the items from their rice water line, because rice water is kind of popping right now, and they're like the only company to have like monetized it. So I bought a couple of the products. They were like $5, so that was like really, really great. Next is this other brand. This is an Instagram brand, I think, and the girl who created this, I believe, is a YouTuber, Naptrals. Yes, I think it's Naptrals, Whitney Naptrals. I got her entire collection. I got the leave-in conditioner, which I do like. It smells really good. I got the multi-purpose oil blend, as well as this twist elongating style cream. I'm not really using this right now because, again, I have no hair, but I still put a little bit of it on because it is super, super moisturizing and does give my hair a nice little sheen, if you catch my drift. So love that. That's gonna be it for hair. I'm gonna jump into makeup and then do skincare, because skincare I think is the biggest pile, and let's just do makeup right now. For makeup, you guys know that Sephora had that VIB sale recently, even though they took 5,000 years to ship me my order. I finally got 2/3 of my order. I'm still waiting on one more package, and it hasn't even shipped yet. You know, COVID has everybody shipping just in shambles. It's taking weeks, even though I usually get 2-day shipping from Sephora, but it's fine. Like, as long as the workers are staying safe, then I'm just happy that I'm gonna get my product at some point. I just kind of want it, you know? Potato, potato. So I got this Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. This is not a new product to me. I've literally had this before. I just needed a new one, and it was like 20% off because I have VIB Rouge. So I just figured, why not, you know, like get another one. I absolutely adore this powder and think that it's amazing. The next product I got is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I got the big bottle. She's thick. I had the smaller one, fell in love with it over the summer, and kind of procrastinated on buying a new one, so I finally got it, and I'm super, super excited to use it because I also got the new foundation. I honestly can't even say if this is new, but I got this Charlotte Tilbury foundation. This is their Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and I got mine in the shade 13 Cool. I will be reviewing this for you guys this upcoming weekend, so stay tuned for this video because this is really, really exciting. And speaking of reviews, I am currently reviewing the Pat McGrath concealer. I bought this concealer, I bought the brush, as well as the powder that it comes with. It's what's on my under eye right now, and I am currently reviewing it, so again, stay tuned for that video. I got some stuff from Morphe as well. So I got these lashes from Morphe only to realize that they were like huge, and I'm not sure if I have the eye capacity for these, but I probably could wear them if I decided to like literally do no shadow and just lashes, but they're just really thick. These are the ones called So Glamorous. If you don't have like big eyes, I just don't know how you can support this, and I have like little eyes, hooded, like it's just, we'll just see how that goes. As well as from Morphe, I got the new mattifying continuous setting mist. I have used this a couple times already, and I do really, really like it. I used it today during this look. Also, if you're wondering what I'm wearing, today's look for my eyes, it's gonna be this Sweetie palette that she created with Morphe, the 24A Artist palette. This palette is really, really cool, really, really diverse, and I would like high-key recommend this palette like a lot. If you want to see my full review on this palette, of course, please watch the video that I have coming out soon. I'm not sure if it's going to come out before this one or after, probably after, just because I want you guys to see these products and then show you guys all my thoughts and opinions on them. I also reviewed this bronzer from Morphe. This is huge, like it's like the size of my head. This is crazy. And I got the shade Phenom, and I love it. I'm obsessed with bronzer right now, and this is going to be like one of my favorites. Love this. Super, super affordable as well. Okay, so now we're gonna jump into the mother load, which is skin care. I'm just gonna grab whatever I see. So the first thing I have here is this Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I am not new to cleansing balms, but this is the first time I've purchased from this brand Pharmacy. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. I got this because I normally use the Clinique cleansing balm, but I really feel like I've been allergic to that recently. And so I wanted to get this one to see like if it would do something different. Like particularly my eyes have been having reactions to having that product around it, like the Clinique one. So that's why I ended up getting this one, although I think this one might be smaller than the Clinique one. It's really cute. It comes with like a little dispenser thingy so you can keep everything sanitary, and this is what it looks like. I'm really, really excited to use this. I may film me taking off my makeup with this tonight and my nighttime, you know, skincare routine so you guys can see it, because I have a lot of products here and I want to share it with you guys. Another product that I got for makeup removing is the Lancome by Facil Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. Again, my eyes have been very, very sensitive lately, so I decided to get this specifically to remove makeup from my eyes, and I got the biggest bottle that they sell because, I don't know, I just really hate rebuying skincare, and I just like to buy the biggest thing they sell so that I can just get it over with. So this just happened to be one of those. Continuing down the list, I did buy this Fresh Umbrian Clay Purifying Mask. This is my second bottle of this. I would have bought the big one, but then I think they were sold out, and then I was like, well, like I didn't really use this as fast as I thought I did, so I just bought the mini version. But I absolutely love this for like clearing out my pores because I do have such huge pores. And actually, just a little funny story about Fresh. So Fresh was like the first order I made during this quarantine time, And literally I bought like 4 things from them, and it was since like March, and I was like, yo, where are my products? And after like almost a month of waiting for my products that never showed up, never shipped, I got an email from them saying that my order had been canceled and that they were refunding me my money. And I was like livid because my roommate also bought stuff from them, but like they were still shipping her stuff, and then lo and behold, they refund me my money and my products show up in the mail, and they still haven't charged me for it. So we're just gonna like keep this between us. But I basically got all my Fresh products for free because I ordered it from Fresh because they were having a sale before Sephora had their sale. You know, just lucky me. I also ended up getting their Umbrian Clay Purifying Toner. This is the first time that I got this product. Ah, my battery is dying, sad. This is what she looks like here. I also got the Soy Face Cleanser. I got the big bottle. Look at her, she's thick. This one here just needed like a new cleanser. I bought this niacinamide serum from the Inky List. This is the first time I'm trying this brand. They seem to be new to Sephora and kind of really affordable. They kind of remind me of The Ordinary, but they're not, and I've never tried either one. And I think my product exploded on the way because there's like stuff around it, but I guess we'll survive. I got the Tatcha Rice Polish foaming enzyme powder. I'm really excited to try this. Oh, Tatcha packaging is luxurious. Look at this. Super cute. Whoa, this is way bigger than I was expecting, but I'm excited to like use this, and I will definitely show you guys how I use this in a video in case you're wondering. I got some sunscreen from my favorite sunscreen brand, Super Goop. I love this. This is the Unseen sunscreen, and this is the limited edition size, which is massive. So of course I had to get that one as well. I got this cute little package of Kiehl's stuff, and it comes with their Candela Herbal Extract Toner, which I like a lot. Their Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solutions, as well as their Turmeric and Cranberry Seed Energizing Mask. This was a really cute little set, and I think it was like $50, but worth like $95. So I just, you know, snatched this up. I've used 2 out of 3 of these products before, so that's kind of why I thought it was a good deal to just get this. The next product I got was this Caudalie spray. This is their Beauty Elixir Smoothing and Glowing Complexion Spray. I just really like this as a nice little like mist to just refresh your skin in the morning. I just think it's really nice. Again, this whole thing was worth $49, but usually only the big one is $49, and then you also get like a little one. That's something I see Sephora has been doing, and I also got something else that was like that, but it's not here yet. And the last product that I have to show you guys is this Good Genes Serum from Sunday Riley. I did purchase this one from their website because I was like, I needed it before Sephora had their sale. It came in like the cutest packaging ever because the normal packaging was out, but this is the one they came out with for like Chinese New Year or something. And I just thought that this was so cute, so adorable. Absolutely love this product. This is like my 4th time buying this, and I have like backup coming because they also have a kit from Sephora where you get the biggest size and a mini one for the price of just one. So I had to get that. Sorry I just rushed through the last few products, but my camera is dying and I wanted to make sure I got everything right now. But yeah, that's kind of what I've been doing with my time. I've been buying things. I've been buying a lot of things. I have other things coming in from Sephora, as well as I got the P. Louise base. Finally, I got it from her website. Lots of things, lots of boxes to come. I got new workout clothes from Target. Just things are coming, and I'm just accepting. And I think my mailman hates me because we literally get packages like every single day. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of these products. Please subscribe so that you can see the videos of me trying these products and giving you guys my full and honest review on them. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment down below, and go ahead and follow me on both Instagram and Twitter, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.